If you're in a networking event, professional, you got to dress like them. If you're going to their office, professional, you got to dress like them. You got to be professional. When you're walking in there and you're networking with them, even if you have a meeting with them, you have to look good, smell good. Make sure you have your breath smelling good. Everything smell good. Your hair done, your nails done, makeup done. Guys, make sure this is cut nice and neat, trim really well, hair freshly cut.